Hello everybody, they will do middle split and how to stretch and relax for this position. I will show you now some elements which help you to do that. So stay with me and we will get started. First exercise which we're starting to do, we will get in this position, take two legs together and working back. 2, 3. Good work. After that, you're working with two legs, take it on the other side and take together. So 3, 4 and 5. Good work. And change, take it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll get back in this position and working with two legs. Slowly take it up and slowly open and close. 2, close, 3, 4 and 5. Starting to push. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Take stretch more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And slowly go down. Take breathe. Slowly breathe out and back up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I will hope that you like it, subscribe and take me a like. So bye bye.